Hello everyone, I got a new 7-inch gray case Chips Industrial Pi last week. In this video, I'm gonna show you the initial setups I do to start developing software on this Chips Industrial Pi. So let's start unboxing this industrial PC. To be honest, I have already unboxed the PC last weekend to make sure the shipping company didn't break it while shipping from Chipsy, but I haven't plugged in the power, nor have I booted the system, so I will pretend this is the first unboxing of this Chipsy Industrial Pi. Alright. Okay, let's take it out and take a look at what's inside the box. This looks like a Wi-Fi antenna, and let's put it on. I think I don't need these screws right now. Maybe they are meant for mounting and VESA. I'm gonna just put them back. Okay. So this is my 7-inch Chipsy Industrial PC with a gray case. Let's also take a look at the back of this PC. There are two USB ports and a Ethernet port on the back. Let's plug in the power supply. I'm gonna take it out. And plug in my external power supply. Let's see if everything is gonna work okay. I haven't booted before, so this is gonna be its first boot. Looks like it's working as expected. So now we are in the desktop of this Chipsy Industrial Pi. The first time I use it, I'm gonna need a keyboard and a mouse to set some basic configurations, but we won't need them anymore as soon as we finish these basic setups. Okay, welcome to Chipsy Industrial Pi. Let's set the country, language, and time zone here. I'm gonna choose Hong Kong and English here. Okay. Okay, Hong Kong and English, time zone Hong Kong, and use English language. Next. Password, I'm gonna leave it blank and use the default Raspberry as password. Setup screen, I'm gonna, I don't think I need this. My screen looks perfectly good right now. Network, I'm gonna search for my room Wi-Fi here. This is my network. Okay, password. If you are using Ethernet, you can just plug in the cable and skip this step. Okay, wait a minute. Warning about the system. Don't run apt upgrade on your ChIP-C PC because it can cause the touch panel and audio drivers to stop working. Next, don't upgrade, okay? Setup complete, done. Let's see what my IP address is. Open a terminal and use ifconfig. Okay, 192.168.50.148. I'm gonna fix this address on this PC so the next time it boots, the router may assign this same IP address to this PC. Because I need to use this IP on my work computer to connect to this ChIP-C PC. Apply. Okay, close. Next, I'm gonna enable the SSH and the VNC server of this ChIP-C Industrial Pi. I'm looking for a tool called Raspberry Pi Configuration. It's in the Preferences folder. And display interface, okay, and I'm gonna enable SSH and VNC. So we can connect to this PC on our work computer. Okay. Now I'm going to switch to my work computer and SSH into this ChIP-C Industrial Pi. Now I'm on my Mac Mini and using a terminal app. If you are using Windows, you may use a program called PUTTY to do the same thing. And tap yes, because this is the first time we log into this Pi from my computer. The password would be Raspberry. Okay, now we are on our ChIP-C Industrial Pi. And we can see, check its IP address is also 5148, the same as what we see on our ChIP-C Industrial Pi's panel. And now we can connect to the desktop with VNC. I'm using VNC Viewer here. Let's enter the IP address of our ChIP-C PC 148 and connect. And continue. Username should be Pi and password would be Raspberry. Okay. So now we are viewing the desktop of ChIP-C PC from our work computer. And we can use the mouse and keyboard of our work computer to control the ChIP-C PC. So from now on, we can disconnect the external keyboard and mouse that we used on the ChIP-C PC. And finally, we are now ready to start developing software on this ChIP-C Industrial Pi. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy building software with ChIP-C Industrial PCs.